Okay, this is a Polaris Magnum 330. Guy brought it to me. Didn't run. Needed a lot of stuff done to it. And I pretty much got it going. I ain't got the side pieces back on yet. I'm getting ready to put them on, but I put a new starter rope, new battery, changed the oil filter, changed the transmission fluid, put a new belt, redid put a new carburetor on it, fixed the choke cable, various other little things. It would barely run whenever he brought it here. And so this is how it sounds now. Cranks right up as soon as you hit the starter. Lights work. Get ready to go. Ready to go play in the woods and have some fun. So if you need any four-wheelers fixed, let me know. I can fix them. And that's one over there I got to get started on next. The motor's locked up in it. I'll have to pull the jug off of it and get the pistons unstuck. I'll put new rings in it. I don't know. Might have to go further than that. Don't know what those customers want done yet. So if you got any questions or anything, you need anything fixed, I'm pretty much free anytime.